Hello, my name is Kevilelie and I'm a mechanical engineering student from Grove Institution. I'm in my final year and doing my industrial training from EME Technologies. And our industrial training has a duration of 6 months, which is 2 months of software training and 4 months of industrial training. And I'm taking my CNC Programming Training under the guidance of Sir Swayam. He's a friendly nature he's friendly nature and he's always there with us and he's always around us to clear all our doubts. And I'm doing my session from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. and about my experience out here, overall experience is going good till now. Thank you.